the same 4 people apply for the same 2 positions? In how many ways can 2 people be hired in each situation? And all sorts of word problems like this, what we're really trying to do is make a determination of whether order matters or does not. If order matters, it's a permutation. And if it doesn't, then we have groups. In other words, if order doesn't matter, then that implies we have combination. So let's look at these 4 people applying for the 2 positions. Does the order matter how you would be hired if you were one of the 2 people? If one is for intern and the other is for manager? Would you not care which position you had? Intern or manager? Are those grouped as the same thing? If so, we should use combination. And if not, then we should use permutation. I don't know about you, but if I have a choice between intern and manager, I'm assuming I'm going to be hired in the first place, I'd rather get the manager. So order does matter here. So for part A, this would be P4, because there's 4 people applying for 2 positions, P4-2. And before we even work that out, let's just look at the next example. Both positions are for manager. Now in this situation, does it matter if you get the first phone call or the second phone call? They're both for manager. Not really. In this situation, you're kind of grouping them. So this problem is actually a combination, C4-2. Can you see the difference in these 2 problems? Here, the distinction is made, just like first and second place. You have intern and manager. And in this problem, they're both manager. In other words, they both get a grand prize, combination. So all we have to do from here is just simply plug and chug into the formulas. So for permutation, it's 4 factorial over 4 minus 2 factorial. So that's 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial, which is 12. C42, that's going to be 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 4 minus 2 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial. The 2 factorials cancel, and 2 factorial is just 2 times 1. So this is going to be 12 over 2, which is equal to 6.